I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, enable developer options and USB debugging so Android Studio can communicate. Once done, connect the phone with a known good USB cable and set the USB mode to file transfer. This avoids intermittent ADB detection issues. Make sure the device shows an RSA fingerprint prompt and you accept it. This authorizes your PC. You do this now because without debugging enabled and authorization, Android Studio cannot install or run the APK on your phone. Next, focus Android Studio on your device. Choose the app module and ensure the debug build variant is active. Debug includes the necessary tools and logs. Then open run/debug configurations and set the deployment target to your connected USB device. This forces installation to the phone. Press run to build and install. Alternatively, you supply changes for faster code tweaks without full reinstall. You do this to get real device behavior, sensors, and performance that the emulator cannot replicate. Finally, verify the app runs. Watch Logcat for startup exceptions and use the package filter to see only your app logs. If the device vanishes, restart ADB via a dbkill server then a db start server, or revoke USB authorizations on the phone and reconnect to force a fresh RSA prompt. If installation fails, uninstall any existing signed app or run a db install rpath/to/app to replace it. One key tip: if you still see problems, reboot the phone. Many connection issues resolve with a simple restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.